Well, hello again. This is the very final day of my vacation log, and let's have a bite of the Dairy Queen Cookiedough Reese's Blizzard. And, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a decent blizzard, but it's basically just the Cookiedough Blizzard. Oh, and it's melting because of the hot weather. Yeah, it's basically just a Cookiedough Blizzard, but with a, well, Reese's Pieces in it. Yeah, it's a decent blizzard, but nothing too special. It's still pretty good, though. It's not nearly as good, in my opinion, as the Oreo Lana Mud Pie Blizzard. Yeah, it is still good, though. Not my favorite kind, but I still like the Cookiedough Blizzard. So that's a thumbs up right there. Alright, so yeah, it has the typical cookie dough pieces and, well, Reese's Pieces, just in case if a E.T. wants to eat a cookie dough blizzard, I guess. Because, well, in E.T. he eats Reese's Pieces. Yeah. Some people pronounce it like Reese's, but I don't like pronouncing it like that. I want to pronounce it like Reese's. Yeah, it's a decent blizzard, but nowhere near as good, in my opinion, as the Lawn and Mud Pie Blizzard, which is actually known as the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard, and of course, it had been a leaking onto my camera and had to clean it off, because, well, it was a hot day outside. Yeah. So, in my opinion, the Reese's Pieces Cookie Dough Blizzard is basically just a cookie dough blizzard, but with Reese's Pieces and peanut butter flavoring added in. Don't get me wrong, I do like the Reese's Blizzards, but the Reese's Cookie Dough Blizzards, there's nothing crazy about it. Still better than the Cotton Candy Blizzard. Ugh. I will have to review that blizzard, because I'm about to be ranking every one of these summer blizzard lineups. I mean, these blizzards from the summer blizzard lineup, and see which one's the best and which one's worth getting. So yeah, decent blizzard, but it's a well, yeah, I bumped the camera by accident. It's nowhere near as good as the, like I said, nowhere near as good as the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard, but still pretty good. And it did melt on my shirt. Yeah, I tried out gelato and got chocolate and a salted caramel. Yeah, I mixed the flavors together, and, well, let me tell you, gelato's good, but it's nothing to write home about, and, well, in my opinion, I would go with soft serve any day of the week. Yeah, one of my sister-in-law got me crazy about it, but it's nothing really special, to be honest. It's just ice cream. Ice cream's good, but it's nothing special. Yeah, I would give this blizzard a rating of a 7 out of 10. It's a decent blizzard, but it could have been a lot better. I feel that it should have been made with a peanut butter cookie dough. Yeah, if it was made with peanut butter cookie dough, I think it would have been better. I don't think it was made with peanut butter cookie dough, though. I think it was made with regular cookie dough. And don't get me wrong, I like cookie dough ice cream, but my mom doesn't because she thinks it's weird. And I do like the Cookie Dough Blizzard. It's one of my favorite blizzards. But this blizzard is a nothing too special, nothing to get crazy about. Just like that gelato, which also gets a 7 out of 10. Still pretty good. So yeah, that's a wrap. Batman's arch nemesis is the Joker. But my arch nemesis is the YouTube algorithm. Smaller channels are being attacked and put at risk because of the viewer-based algorithm that YouTube has. And yes, the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel will be needing
every ounce of support from you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see when new Racer Cinema Productions videos are being posted. And together, we can help defeat the algorithm and drive it away from the Racer Cinema Productions YouTube channel. And yes, every subscriber count matters, because it means you are really awesome and you support me through the difficult time on being on YouTube. Yeah, it means you really support me during these difficult times. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time.